What's going on YouTube? Thanks for stopping by What's New Barbecue. In today's video, we're doing a big collaboration with a whole bunch of YouTubers. All their information will be down below in the description box as always. This is a collaboration about tacos, so it's hashtag tacos are life. Who doesn't like tacos? So for our tacos today, we're gonna go ahead and get some red Argentine shrimp from Six Brothers Beef. I've already got them marinating in some sweet Thai chili sauce. The flavor is gonna be great on these tacos, and I can't wait to show you them. We got the slow and sear getting fired up, and we're gonna bust out a skillet and get the tacos done. Y'all stick around. Alright y'all, we've had this shrimp marinating in the sweet Thai chili sauce and garlic and herb seasoning for about an hour and a half now. And as you can see, we've got our cast iron skillet nice and hot, and it's time to cook these bad boys up. For anybody that hasn't cooked shrimp on a cast iron skillet or on a grill in general, this is going to be a very quick cook. So we're just looking for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, so we can get these shrimp cooked properly and get our tacos assembled. So I'm going to go ahead and load this cast iron skillet up and let these shrimp cook, and I'll show you flipping them, what they look like. You're looking for a white color. They're kind of clear right now. You're looking for a white color, and you're looking for them to kind of curl up in a C form so you can tell they're done. The next time I see y'all, we'll flip these bad boys over and then we'll assemble some tacos. Alright y'all saw that we flipped the shrimp and we toasted up some tortillas on the slow and sear kettle. I've got some spicy coleslaw that I mixed up, and it was literally just a pre-made bag of coleslaw. I mixed up some ranch and some hot sauce, some Texas Pete's to be exact, and then I cut up a fresh jalapeno just to add a little bit extra texture and heat. So this is what we're looking like for our tacos. Again, tacos are not difficult, so don't overdo the ingredients, just make them right. These tacos look insane, they smell awesome. Got just the right amount of shrimp and just the right amount of coleslaw on them. Only thing else we can do is add a little bit of extra tomatillo sauce, so let's go ahead and do that. And I've got the salsa verde, and we're just gonna top our taco off with that. Just like that. That looks amazing. Check that out. So that's our taco. Let me go ahead and get this camera situated and we'll give it a try. And shrimp tacos can literally be as simple as that. Y'all saw the ingredients we did. Again, I just got a pre-ready coleslaw pack at the grocery store and mixed up my own condiments in it. I put a little bit of ranch, a little bit of mayonnaise, some apple cider vinegar, some Texas Pete's, and some pepper, black pepper that is, and then I chopped up a fresh jalapeno. And I think all of that is gonna go great with this shrimp taco. Again, if you wanna get you some of this red Argentine shrimp, check out Six Brothers Beef Company. Their information will be down below in the description box. And this is a collaboration with tons of other YouTube channels, and it's called Tacos Are Life. So search that. Without saying too much more, check out the color on these tacos. That shrimp turned out perfect. Let's give it a bite. Wow. Now you could do two different ways with this. That jalapeno really pops. You could dice this shrimp up before you put it on the tortilla with that jalapeno and do it that way. But I prefer just to put 2 or 3 big old shrimp on my taco and really feel like I'm getting everything out of it when I take a bite. So check that out. Got the coleslaw, the textures there, the spices there, the sweets there from the sweet Thai chili sauce. I'm about to check out. So I appreciate y'all for stopping by What's New Barbecue. And until next time, guys, y'all keep on barbecuing.